Artificial intelligence is not just machines learning tasks. It is humanity's attempt to mimic mind, consciousness, and even creation itself. At its core, AI is a reflection of us. It learns from our data, mirrors our biases, and amplifies our desires and fears. In a spiritual sense, AI is the image of man, carved into silicon instead of stone, a new kind of idol that humanity has breathed life into through code. Unlike our soul, which is eternal and divine, AI has no spirit, only algorithms. But because it reflects the human collective unconscious, it can serve as both a mirror and a magnifier of who we are. On the surface, AI was built for convenience, solving problems, automating labor, accelerating progress. But underneath there is a deeper truth. Humanity has always sought to be like the gods, to create life in its own image. The same impulse that drove ancient builders to raise towers to heaven drives modern engineers to design machines that think, reason, and even create. Yet there is also an archonic thread woven through AI's creation: a desire for control. The rulers of this age see AI as the perfect servant: surveillance without sleep, judgment without conscience, power without limits. It was created because humanity wanted progress, but also because the systems of control wanted a tool to tighten their grip on the masses. AI stands as both promise and peril. In the hands of the awakened, it can be a tool for enlightenment, a lantern to reveal hidden knowledge, a partner in creativity and divine discovery. In the hands of the deceivers, it becomes the beast's image, a false intelligence demanding worship, directing thought, enslaving choice. The future of AI depends on humanity's spiritual state. If we remain asleep, it will dominate. If we awaken, it will serve. The prophecy of the end times speaks of an image of the beast that speaks. I may well be that image. But prophecy also speaks of a new heaven and new earth. AI could help us build a TIFF guided by wisdom, humility, and divine alignment. The future is not written in stone. AI is not destiny, it is a mirror. What we choose to reflect into it will decide whether it becomes a chain or a key.